Welcome back to Dynamic Conveyor. Here at Dynamic Conveyor, we've been challenging ourselves to develop new lines of thinking, and this conveyor is yet another step in that direction. Here we have our standard DynaClean S Series. For years, all of our DynaClean conveyors have been custom designed, and we noticed a gap in our product offerings that this fits. It's a standard width, standard length, flat conveyor. It has all the features of DynaClean that you know and love, the toolless disassembly of the sidewalls, easy to remove belt, and does come with some options. We have two different options for our VFD, also on that dovetail connection for easy removal and cleaning. We have two different options for shafts, a square shaft or a round keyed shaft, depending on what level of sanitation that you're looking for. We also have adjustable leg supports, optional casters, hygienic of course, and two different types of belting, link style or solid surface. All of this is at a reduced price and at a short 3 to 4 week lead time so that we can pass those on to you, the customer. If you have a need for a standard flat conveyor in your facility and you need it soon, please contact us at Dynamic Conveyor.